Hello, this is Sharon Arain, and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful, a little bit chilly here in the Sunshine State. Okay, and I am here, as a matter of fact, I don't see Orlando Health, South Lake Hospital, make there the emergency. Folks, I am still here. As a matter of fact, my husband is still in the hospital. Alright, this is, I think, day 10. Okay, he's still in the hospital, but it's very, very tiring. I had, go home to get some mails, do some stuff, whatever. Mommy, one of my brother, auntie, they're taking care of her. She has got out of the hospital today, right? She did, which is, and my husband is still here. They're running, some more tests because he now got like an infection. Okay, folks, so again, I want to thank each and every one of you who are praying for us, praying for my husband that, you know, he get well and we can go home. Okay, again, with all of this, I just want to say that my home-based business, I'm still making money even though I'm here at the hospital with my husband. But the beautiful thing about it is that I'm still doing well, money coming in. Thank God for my home-based business. So folks, if you like to know what exactly I do, all right, you need to call me. Text me is good for right now, 352-805-9846. Or you can go to fastcashwithsharon.com, and as well you can go to createwealthwithsharon.com. Again, folks, Sharon Arain coming to you here from the Sunshine State. Take care and bye for now.